What's up, you guys? So I know this is a really awkward angle. I originally had filmed an intro for this video, but it kind of was really long and then it split up into two and I didn't really like that. So now that this video actually has a purpose, I'm going to be recording it. So today I'm going to be redecorating my room in order to have a cute setup for these videos. So enjoy. So for this first sort of DIY, I am going to be taping up my Polaroid pictures in the form of a heart. It's pretty self-explanatory. They're the same distance away, or sort of the same distance away, as close as I could get them. These angles are very unpleasant and they make me look, you know, ugly. So, yeah, it makes it look super Tumblr. I decided to do it on the corner because I just thought it fit better, but you could do it anywhere. So I think it turned out super cute. I just used pictures of my family and my friends to make a little heart because they have my heart. So, and now I am doing the banner for the Harry Potter Gryffindor thing, and basically I'm just folding 3 inches in both sides, and then I'm folding them in like triangle. I suck at explaining this, but it seems pretty self-explanatory. Then I'm painting them red. I had to like do another one because that paint was worn out, so I don't think I have footage of me actually painting the words, but it was pretty simple. I did yellow paint and then I put red glitter on the words so that they stood out a little more, and I basically just painted every single little crease that there was so that it made the words Gryffindor. And now I'm using a hot glue gun to hot glue the banners onto a black string. I'm just gluing it like so, making sure that it aligns. And then that's pretty much it once you're done with all of it. I had to extend the string because I didn't cut it right, so I just had to extend it. If you do this, make sure that the letters actually stand out, because mine don't. Not all of them. Like some of them are yellower. Some of them are more colorful than others, so it's very hard to tell. But yeah, that's pretty much all I'm doing for this whole video. It turned out really cute. I used the chocolate frogs boxes that I had to cover up the little string, the end of the string, so that it didn't look like it was hanging. And that's it. I've been working on this for 2 hours and I'm really shocked that I haven't like stopped, because my motivation kind of runs out really easily. And I'm also surprised that I barely have stuff on my fingers, because whenever I do projects, paint is usually everywhere. Like, I have paint on my bed. So yeah, I'm really happy with how it turned out. I think it was pretty clever to cover up the strings kind of with the chocolate frog things, because I knew I wanted to incorporate that somehow into this because I have two, so it fit in perfectly. And I think it's really cute. The only thing that bothers me out of this is that some of the letters didn't turn out as yellow as the others, so it looks kind of stupid. But it's okay. We're good. No, I didn't mean to zoom. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. I sound like such a YouTuber, but like, and hit the subscribe button if you want more. This looks so Tumblr, like my background. Oh, ooh, oh. I'm filming the outro, but I just had another idea. So, psych bitches, you thought this was the outro. On top of there. Like, people do this with, I've seen people do this with the Tiffany & Co. things. But, I've never shopped there. I passed by it when I was at New York. Because the Trump Hotel, not the Trump Hotel, the Trump Tower is like right next to it. So, quick little DIYs. This is why I keep my Sephora bag. Honestly, where is the tape? Freaking DIYer, guys. That's it. Go. Bye, guys.